In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Base44 tab. We'll walk through the exact path in the Base44 interface, and I'll share a few quick tips so you know what to expect as the change takes effect. Start by opening Base4 in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open All Apps. This is your catalog of everything in the workspace. Use the Search App field at the top to quickly find the specific app you want to edit. Typing a few characters is faster than scrolling, especially in larger workspaces. When your app appears in the results, click it to open. You'll land in the app context where you can access its editor and management tools. From here, head to the dashboard. The dashboard is a convenient jumping off point for configuration and previewing how changes affect your app. Next, open Settings. Inside Settings, choose App Settings. This is where you control app-level preferences, including branding elements that appear around your interface. Now, scroll until you find the section labeled Platform Badge. To remove the Base44 tab or badge from your app's interface, click Disable. This action hides the Base44 branding element so your users focus solely on your app's own navigation and content. A quick tip: if you don't see the change immediately, refresh the preview or reload the page. Some environments cache interface elements briefly, so giving it a moment or reloading can help. If your workspace uses separate preview and production environments, the update may appear in preview first and then propagate to users when you publish, depending on your setup. Also, if you can't access app settings or the toggle is grayed out, you might need a higher permission level. Reach out to a workspace admin to confirm your access. If you later decide to show the badge again or you want more control over branding, select Upgrade Plan. Certain branding options, including enabling or customizing the platform badge, may be tied to your subscription level, and the Upgrade Plan path will guide you through those choices. And that's all there is to it. By opening Base44, locating your app through All Apps and Search App, clicking into the app, navigating to the dashboard, then into Settings and App Settings, and finally disabling the platform badge, you've removed the Base44 tab from view. Keep note of where this toggle lives so you can revisit it quickly for future branding changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your app's interface with confidence.